I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together the EWORK 11-inch snow shovel. This thing is pretty amazing, and it's pretty easy to put together too as well. This thing here does have a little bit of weight right here in the front where all the power is, and you do have to plug this right here in, right here. But yeah, this is basically what you have. So you have all these little bolts in here. So pretty straightforward. Doesn't include a user manual, of course, but we're just going to go ahead and put these here together until we get to the hole right here. This bolt right here. So we go ahead and just go straight in. And we're just be sure to push it all the way. Or we're gonna give it a twist like that. And safely up here, we'll take this gear off. Right. And we're gonna push the end right now. Push the cord into it a little. And let me put these down real quick. Push the cord in. Sometimes the cord doesn't like me. There we go. Okay. There we go. Now we have our hole. Look. Flip this here around. There we go. Make sure it looks like it's going the right way. Perfect. So now we'll just put this one here in on this side too. And we'll go ahead and take this and put it here. And then we're down to one last thing. I'm going to take our handle. We'll put our handle on. The handle is going to go right here too. So basically you go and position your handle where you want it to be. Go ahead and move that right there around. And this is adjustable too, so you can adjust it at different angles like you want it. And we'll twist it on this side. I like dropping it all the time. Or there we go. Give this your turn in here in the back side. Oh, go ahead. Put this here in plate for us. Don't worry. Go. Now we have it fully installed, ready to go. Right here. We have our full snow shovel. We have our safeties up here. Push it in. And then our handle right here. You go ahead and activate the whole thing with it. And this here does get plugged in. So we just need to take this part right here out. You just go ahead and plug that in, and then you are good to go. This is an amazing 11-inch snow shovel here. That's how easy it is. Under 4 minutes installation from start to finish. Hopefully you found this helpful.